Okay, students, the first thing we're going to do is create this eccentric cam right here. So we're going to go to Inventor, create new file, standard IPT, create new sketch. I'm going to select X, Y plane. And first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a circle right there in the center. And the dimensions of it are 3/16. If you wonder where I'm taking those numbers, they're from this paper right here, and I just built this little circle here with 3/16 diameter. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to build a bigger circle. But first, I need to make sure to assign D as my parameter. So I'm going to go back to Inventor, click on Parameters right here, and I'm going to add a numeric parameter to add the user parameter, and I'm going to name it D, and it's going to be 2 inches. Okay. You can change this later depending on what your automata design. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place a point right here, and I'm going to make sure it's aligned with the center so it doesn't move anywhere, and I'm going to dimension D divided by 4. And again, if you're wondering where that number is coming from, it's coming from right here. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create this circle right here with the center with that point I just created. And circle. Click. And dimension is D. So I'm going to type in D. Okay. And see, my sketch is fully constrained, so I can move on. I'm going to finish sketch and extrude it 3/16 of an inch again, as it tells you on the paper. Okay. I'm going to save my file. I'm going to just put it on the desktop for now as eccentric cam. Okay. And you guys can put 2 inches diameter. I'm going to save it. Okay, good job.